Analog Devices' AD5413 14-bit voltage and current output DAC is designed for use in industrial factory automation and process control applications, and can switch between high-precision voltage and current output on a single terminal. In current output mode, the AD5413 can output up to 24 mA using an internal current mirror to appear as a current source to the application. A heart signal can also be AC coupled to the current output. In voltage output mode, the device can generate a plus or minus 10.5 volt output and has a 20% over range option that can be set in an internal register to enable output up to 12.6 volts. The integrated reference simplifies design and ensures high accuracy output. The AD5413 offers user-programmable offset and on-chip diagnostics with a 4-wire SPI interface compatible with multiple interface standards.